Hey guys, I am Subha and today I will show you a very quick way to sell spiral notebooks on Zazzle. As you can see, I have created this very simple looking spiral notebook on Zazzle. Cute pink watercolor spiral notebook, and it is selling for $24.40 and I will be earning 5% royalties on each sale. You can see this is the front cover and this is the back cover, and this is another image for this notebook that a potential customer can see. This notebook is live on Zazzle for sale. I will quickly show you how you can create the same and sell on Zazzle. All you need to do is sign up for a free account on Zazzle and create a store. This is my store, Subha Creates. Let me show you my products. This is spiral notebook I have just created. These are some t-shirts, and this is another spiral notebook and other t-shirt design, and then I have also created these cards and many more designs I have created on Zazzle already. Let me show you how you can quickly create spiral notebooks to sell on Zazzle. Once you have your store ready, you can go on to the create button here. Here you can see the blank products. You can click on view all, and here you can search notebook. You can see this custom notebook 8.5 into 11 spiral notebook. Click on this. This is blank design. Here you can need to customize this design. You can upload your own graphics to create this type of cover. Like I have downloaded the graphics from Fabrica. To sell on print on demand, you need to click on this button first. It allows you to sell design as is without making changes. Under this tab, I searched watercolor, and after doing this research, I selected one of the product here, and that is this one, pink watercolor backgrounds bundle, and it has very good reviews. I have downloaded this as a zip folder, and these are the different watercolor backgrounds. By the way, you can get a free trial of the Creative Fabrica by using the link in the description below. You don't need to pay. So once you have your free graphics ready, you can go to upload images and you can select any of the design. I have selected a different one. All you need to do is just resize it so that it fully spreads on the canvas. Then you can reduce the size here like this. This is our front cover. Go to layers and then create a back cover here. Then go to my files again and click on this and add the same graphic on the background of this note like this. Go back to the front cover here. This is the front cover. Here you can add very simple text. Go to the text element, add a text and write notebook. Then reduce its size. Place it here, and here you can change the font. I have selected this one. You can select a different font if you want to, but I am going with this font. It looks nice. Select again and go to the color option. Just scroll down and select a color picker, and here you can pick a very dark color from the canvas. If you see it is very white here toward the top, you can always extend this so that it looks nice. Similar thing you can do with the back cover. Go to layers, and here is the back cover, and thus just enlarge it so it looks fine. Before publishing this design, you can preview this. Just click on this. You can see the preview of your notebook here. This is spiral notebook, this one, and this is the A+ content. So once you are satisfied with this design, click on done. We are on this page. Click on the sell it. So now you are going to sell this design. Here you can write cute floral watercolor pink spiral notebook. This would be your title, and this would be your book category: office, school, stationery, notebooks, writing pads, etc. Or you can select this one: promotional products, small business supplies, business and stationery. I am selecting the first one, and here you can write any very simple description like cute pink watercolor notebook to take notes, notebook for writing, journaling and taking more. Then you can select this style only because Zazzle adds this design on to every product. I don't want this. Select this style only, and then click on events and occasions. Click on any of the 4 options. I am selecting others, current event or everyday events, and you can select school events. Then click OK. Then the recipient could be of kid, any child, and then click on OK. Here you can add your own categories. By default, it adds it to the products category. You can click on change and create new categories. So I will add this to my spiral notebooks. Add tags here. Zazzle allows you to add up to 10 tags. You can add different tags like cute notebook, floral notebook, watercolor, pink, nature, journaling. Then click on add tags. audience should be everyone. And then if you allow the customer to customize this design, you can click yes. If you don't want the customer to customize your design, you click on no. And here is what percent of royalties you want to earn. By default it says 5% royalties. You can also change this to 10% or 20%. The price will automatically change if you are selecting higher percentage. Here you can click on I have the rights to publish and sell this product. So click here and then click post, and it would be live. They are saying you need to fix the error. Just click this one and then scroll down and again click post, and it should be live on Zazzle in few minutes. So they have already given me the link, and here I can see my newly published notebook is live on Zazzle. This is how you can sell spiral notebooks on Zazzle and earn passive income. All you need to do is have print on demand graphics. You can get them from Creative Fabrica for a very low price. You can also subscribe to their all access subscription if you want to do so, and start downloading today. You can always get a free trial from Creative Fabrica, and you can download 10 products for free. At the moment there is a sale going on Creative Fabrica, and you can get all access subscription at very low price, and monthly you would be paying $3.99. The links are in the description below. You can add a backup for your Amazon KDP by selling these spiral notebooks and other products on Zazzle using the power of Creative Fabrica. So that is all from me today. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.